The normal flow of periods varies from 2 to 7 days, and if you are getting periods or flow of any amount more than 7 days, it can be physiological because of ovulation, or it can be because of intake of exogenous hormones like emergency contraception, or it can be because of gynecological disorders like cervical polyp. So always see a gynecologist if you are experiencing these kind of spotting every cycle. 1 or 2 cycles can be because of stress or sleep deprivation or any kind of hormonal imbalances. But if you are having it on and off every cycle, more than 3 cycles, please visit a local gynecologist